Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting the profile change now. Sign into the Zoom app or web portal with the account you want to edit. Once signed in, click your avatar or initials in the top right to open profile settings. This is where display name and picture live. Make sure you already picked a profile photo file, JPG or PNG under 2 MB, and know the exact display name you want. This lets you skip setup delays and jump straight into editing fields and uploading assets. Now edit the actual fields. Click Edit or the pencil icon next to your name to change first/last and the display name people see in meetings. Next, choose Change or Add Photo, drag the image or browse your files, crop as needed, and hit Save so the new image replaces the old. If available, add pronouns and custom text. Use the visibility toggles to let others see them. Make sure to review how your name appears in sample meeting headers so it looks correct. Finish by clicking Save and giving Zoom a moment to sync across devices. Sign out and back in or restart the app if you don't see changes instantly. To mirror updates on mobile, open More Than Profile and use Edit to confirm the same name and photo. If changes fail, check 3 common issues. File exceeds size limits, unsupported format, or your account is managed by an admin blocking edits. If that's the case, contact your admin. Otherwise, clear cache and retry the upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.